Hi there, and welcome. This is ERP for WooCommerce by Webcol. It brings warehouses, inventory, purchasing, and fulfillment into one back office. Let me show you around. So, this is the dashboard. It's live and role-aware. Up top, physical stock, what's reserved and what's free to promise. Attention required tells you what needs you first. And here's the fulfillment pipeline. Click any stage to see those orders. Further down, utilization, purchasing, and a week of movement. All right, let's talk about who gets access. Every role starts locked out. You let a role in and then grant read, write, or delete module by module. And don't worry about mistakes. Delete implies write, and write implies read. It keeps it self-consistent. Your team lives here on a user screen. Managers, warehouse staff, and suppliers. And each supplier gets a proper business profile, which the purchasing side uses everywhere. Now for the fun part, warehouse management. Let's actually build one right now. Here are our existing facilities. Let's add a new one. We'll call it Demo Warehouse and give it a short code. One thing to know, this code becomes the prefix of every location inside, and it can never change. So pick something you'll recognize on a label. And it's created. Now, instead of adding shelves one by one, we'll use the layout builder. Zones, aisles, racks, shelves, and bins. That's 1,920 locations from one screen. These little prefixes build the codes you'll see on every label. And done. The whole structure exists now, and every bin already has its own code. The Explorer lets us walk through it. Zone, el, rack, shelf. And here are the bins themselves. This is where stock actually lives. So let's put some away. This is stock assignment. We're telling the system exactly where our WooCommerce stock sits, physically. Pick a product, 25 units, and assign. That's it. And notice, it will never let you assign more than you actually have, or more than a bin can hold. Every single movement lands in this activity log. Who moved what, where, and why? Here on the Codes tab, every bin has its own queue or label. You can download these and stick them on the shelves. Receiving and transfers will happily accept a scan code. And this one's my favorite, a live map of where your products actually sit. Okay, products and inventory. This list shows you what WooCommerce alone can't. What's reserved, what's available, and how much is really in bins. You can search by name, SKU, or barcode. And the editor keeps all the day-to-day fields together. Prices, cost with a live margin, stock, and the barcode. Now let's buy some stock. This is purchasing, and it starts with a request for quotation. And our FQ goes from draft to sent to approved, and then it becomes a purchase order. Watch what happens when I pick the supplier. Their details just fill themselves in. Then the warehouse and the payment terms. Now we add what we want to buy. Prices and tax come along automatically, and you can attach files if you need to. Save as a draft. Notice it keeps its own activity trail. And sending it? One click. The supplier gets a branded PDF quotation, which brings us to purchase orders. These are generated from approved RFQs, and they run from ordered to partially received to received. Each one shows what's arrived and what's still pending, with a numbered receipt for every delivery. Receiving is been aware, or honestly, just scan the code. Confirming would add the stock and cut a receipt. We'll stop just short here. Chapter 7, Order Fulfillment, the heart of the whole system. Every paid order lands here at order received, and statuses only ever move one step at a time. Fulfillment works item by item. Watch, validate, and reserve in a single click. Reserved. That unit is now held in its bin, and no other order can touch it. Now we're picking, and look, it tells you exactly which bin to walk to. Picked. The unit leaves the bin, stock goes down, and the ledger writes it all down. Packing's done, shipping started, and the customer just got their shipping email automatically. And completed. The timeline shows every stage, who did it, and when. By the way, you don't have to leave WooCommerce for any of this. There's a fulfillment column right on the order list. And every order gets this meta box with the same actions and a full audit trail. Next up, internal transfers. This is how stock moves between warehouses. Request it, approve it, pick, pack, dispatch, receive, and complete. Each line is tracked across the whole journey, even damaged and missing units. 11 stages, receiving sessions, packages, delivery details. It's all here. And creating one is easy. Pick the 2 warehouses, then add products. The search only looks inside the supplying warehouse and shows what's actually transferable. Send it off, and the other warehouse takes over. Everyone's notified by email. One last thing, cleaning up is just as easy. Here's everywhere our demo product is stored. Let's remove that assignment. Gone. The units go back to free stock, and of course, the ledger remembers. And deleting a warehouse takes its whole location tree with it. History stays in the log. So that's ERP for WooCommerce. Everything in one place. Thanks for watching.